Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do a very interesting thing. We're going to do a comparative study between two different kits which are painting kits. This one is by DOMS and this one is by Camlin, and both of them are priced at $199. So I want to check what is the difference between these two painting kits and what is interesting and what I find would be more useful for you. So we'll start with the DOMS one. You can also find individual videos of these in my channel. I will leave a link to it in the description. So let's start with the DOMS kit. Since these are both priced the same, it's very interesting for me to see what's different in them. So let's see what all is inside this painting kit. Oops. You get a sharpener in this. You get some wax crayons. You get a pencil with a cap. This is interesting. These are watercolor pens. So it's the first watercolor item which is there, or a painting item which is there. These are bicolor pencils. So these are not water soluble, but they're pretty nice to use. You can just do some painting, watercolor wash and then use that on top. And these are oil pastels, a set of 12 shades. And then you get this super cute kit. So it has 12 colors, and in fact I think I have done a video on something like this before. I'll just show you. These are also 12 colors, but this is a slightly bigger kit. This is 400, and this is the smaller version of it which comes in this kit, and I think this is pretty handy. So this is a really nice kit to have. If you want to buy this individually, you can get it for 100. And you also have these glitter pens. I have never been able to use these. I don't know how to use these kind of glitter pens because I don't do craft, but maybe it's going to be useful. And then you get a drawing book as well. So I remember doing a nice review last time, and let's see if I've made any painting or swatches of these colors, so I can just give you a glimpse of that. Yes. So here are the swatches of all of the colors, and my glitter was stuck. So the colors are pretty nice. And I also made a small artwork with using all of the art supplies in this. The wax crayons, the oil pastels, yeah, and we also have the wax crayons and all of this. So I'm just going to put it all together to show you the set. I really like this because it comes with an eraser on top and a sharpener at the bottom. So I think this is very good. So you get totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items in this kit. So I'm going to now compare this with the Camel one. Alright, so let's see what's inside the Camlin painting kit. It's priced at $199 as well. So in that you had one pencil. In this you have 3 pencils and you have a brush. In that the brush comes along with the kit. I will just show that to you. So here is the kit, the watercolor kit that comes with it. So this is the only painting supply that is there in that. And there's a brush that comes along with it. And this is pretty nice. I love this set. And you get this very interesting watercolor cake set which has 24 colors. So you definitely have double the colors in this. And this also comes with a small brush, and this is like the painting mixing area. You can also use this for mixing. You get some watercolor tubes. So I've tried these tubes and they're quite okay. They don't have the primary colors, but it's still nice to use them. And then you have an eraser, a sharpener, and also a scale. So scale is not there in the other set. And you get this drawing book. So I'll show you the swatches of the colors. So here are all the colors, and the painting is also nice. I'm just going to show you the comparison in terms of the colors. Oops, there's a lot of stuff. So this is how the colors are. So you can see the DOMS are pretty bright and the Camlin is a little subdued, but it is still good. Both are pretty nice to use, and I do like them. So let's just count the number of items that you get, and then we'll decide, like, personally which one I prefer among both of them. So in this you have the book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to count this as 1 item, 5, 6, 7, 8 items you get in this totally. But in I'm just going to put, I think, the DOMs also over here, so you also get an idea of what all comes with it. So you get a similar sketchbook. Let's put these things over here so it becomes easier for us to check. And then we get these watercolor pens, we get these wax crayons, you get oil pastels, you get pencil, you get an eraser with a sharpener, you get a pencil, you also get glitter pens, and then finally you get your watercolor set. So like overall, if you see, the number of items that you get in this set is definitely a lot more. So it's not just painting, you can do a lot of things more with it. So if you're somebody who likes to use different things, like your watercolor pens, if you like using oil pastels, wax crayons and pencils, if you like an entire mix of these things, then definitely go for this one. But if you're focusing plainly on painting, just watercolor painting, not even any other kind of painting, if you're focusing just on that, then I think you should go for the Camlin kit. So that's the difference between both of them. Personally, again, yes, depending on the need, I would decide which one I want. If I want to go just for painting, I would pick this one because I get two options. I get watercolor cakes and I also get watercolor tubes. So that's something that I would prefer. If I'm going only for painting, this kit would be a little difficult for me to use because I'll have that and I'll have this. But all these other extra things, I'm not sure if I will use it. Pencils, yes, I will use it on top of the watercolors. So like value wise, both are brilliant, very good. You get more number of items on the go. You know, if you look at the number of things which are there, 100% I think you get more value of money in the DOMS one as compared to the Camlin one. But quality wise, both are pretty good. The colors here are slightly subdued. These colors are a little more brighter. So I hope this video was useful for you to understand your needs and to see which one of these will fit into your requirement. And if this was useful for you, do leave a comment, do like my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.